The Umarex UMP uses a customized version 3 gearbox. I want to find out if a standard version 3 G36 gearbox would fit in the gun. There are a couple of small modifications that need to be made to a version 3 gearbox to get it to fit in the UMP. Standard version 3 gearboxes have this round, raised, screw mounting hole for AK selector switches. This will need to be dremeled or filed down. I'll explain why later. Now this may or may not be necessary, but I have also removed the screw holder on the front of the gearbox. Here's the modified version 3 gearbox with the round screw holder filed down and also the front screw holder filed off. You'll also need a G36 air nozzle, this G36 mounting plate and a G36 trigger installed onto the version 3 gearbox. Alright, let's remove the Aries gearbox from the gun, have a look at it, and then we'll install our modified version 3 gearbox. Here we have the Aries modified version 3 gearbox. The major differences with a standard gearbox being very handy quick release spring guide at the back, this reinforcement all up along the top of the gearbox, and it also uses a non-standard selector plate. Standard version 3 G36 gearbox fits in the gun just like the factory one. And here we can see why it was necessary to file off the round screw holder. Without doing so, the selector switch mechanism would not work. Alright, let's reassemble the gun and we'll give it a fire test and also chrono it. Everything's sounding good, so we'll go ahead and give it a chrono. So in conclusion, standard version 3 G36 gearbox will work in the UMP. Good to know if anything does happen to my UMP gearbox that it can be replaced. I'm really happy with how this gun's going with this gearbox installed on it. I'm going to leave it in for a while and use it at a field. Thanks for watching.